How to reset your Reddit password. Now in order to reset your Reddit password, simply open Reddit and then go to your profile. After that, tap to these three lines from the top right corner, and after going in this page, tap to settings. After going into the settings, you will see the general settings for your account on the very top. Tap into that, and in order to reset password, you don't get an option directly. In order to do that, you have to go to this page of change password. After going in this page, you will see the button to forget password upon the current password section. Tap to forgot password, and then it will give you a window where you have to enter your username and email address, and after that tap to email me button. Then it will send an email in your mailbox. You need to check that and open it. Then you will get a link to reset password. Simply go over there and enter a new password for your Reddit account. So this is how you can very easily reset your password in Reddit. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.